Should we put her at the start again?
Yeah.
Cute hamster.
She's a cute hamster.
Where's she going? Where's she going? Oh, Olivia, you're blocking her. Get out of the way. Get out.
Wait, is this an actual freezer?
Olivia, I'm trying to see her. You're not letting me.
Is it a real freezer?
I don't know. Come on, princess. Nick, why did you bring that?
Yup, it is.
Is that yours?
No, it's yours.
Princess, come on, girl. Come on. Come on, princess.
She likes me, apparently.
You gotta go. Come on, come on, come on. I gotta go.
You're playing bumper cars, apparently.
Come on. She wants to play bumper cars instead of
We're
getting.
not playing bumper cars, we're playing it.
Come on.
See, I can go with you.
Princess, stop crashing, Nick.
Back it up.
Come on.
One man, no baby. One man, no baby.
No, princess. No.
I can.
You're so silly. No. Oh,
What's she doing?
you're going the wrong way. Say hi.
Does this actually work?
Come on.
Yep.
Silly. Let's start over here.
Princess, let's do a race. I'm an old lady.
Come on, princess. Come on, princess. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh. Princess. We're in. I just got a good angle of your butt.
She's already in here.
She's so fast. If you're wondering what's in there, I will show you in a little bit. Yeah, she's so cute. Princess!
I'm back.
Olivia, you're blocking her. Can I?
Come on,
I need to hold her. I need to hold her.
Do you want me to take her out?
Yeah, I need to hold her.
Okay. Let's go in some lighting.
Now you're making me feel old, Olivia.
Hey.
I keep getting a good angle of your butt.
Okay. This took me forever to screw on. She's stuck.
You're gonna be killed.
You're gonna be killed.
Not you, princess. I'm talking about my little sister.
I lost my phone.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
I need to hold her.
Come on, let's go. Alright, we'll dump you out. I'm
So funny.
I'm putting her like this. Finally. No! She's
Come on, princess.
Finally,
There
got
she is. Can I hold her? I need to hold her.
You need to get some footage of me.
Look at that cutie.
She's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, guys, she gives you... Okay, this is from Princess. She has a little tail. Okay, everyone, give a big fat like on this video, and make sure you subscribe to Emily's channel. Right, Princess? Right.
Come here. Can I hold her? I need to hold her. I need to hold this cutie.
She is not our hamster. Well, Princess is famous.
Hey. Isn't she adorable, people?
Emily, you should name this hamster one. You don't know me? No, I'm not famous. And this is not one. I'm famous.
She's climbing, people. I forgot. She's so cute.
Wait, is she actually? Okay,
We should put her away.
wait. I want to show you guys her treats. Her treats literally look like yellow chocolate chips.
They seriously do. I'll show you one right now.
Okay, stay.
Okay, oh my gosh, she is trying to run away! She's trying to run away! Princess!
No, don't fall.
Princess, where are you? Oh,
She's
there
right
you
here.
are.
You hold her, I'll get a treat.
Hold her well.
Or put the phone down. Okay. So, So,
Say hi, Princess. Oh my God. You better subscribe, or I will come running to your house, just how I did across that floor.
okay.
I need a
So
treat.
here is her treat. It literally looks like a yellow chocolate chip.
Give me the treat.
Not kidding. Okay.
Give me the treat.
Here you go. Make sure you give a big fat like on this video.
Bye, guys. I have to go.
Ever to film this. Like we.
Bye. No. Princess, no.
We'll come see you later. We
Bye. Bye.
Princess.
No, Princess.
Princess.
We love you too.
Hamsters can live up to 3 years old. Princess is 2.
And she's the cutest thing ever. Bye.
She's really.
Bye.
Emily, isn't Lady cuter? Hey, let's go get some footage of the cats.
Oh, yeah.
So they
See you
have,
guys in a minute. Bye.
they have 3 cats. I'm really calm with Romeo.
Hi, Romeo. Oh, I just pooped.
Super calm with me.
Say hi. Say hi.
This is Romeo.
Hi, Emily. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Why are you looking at me?
Okay, so this is Romeo.
Romeo, come back. Come back.
So that is Romeo.
Oh, my gosh.
Like have memories, right? What's that?
Hi. Can I hold him?
Just show up.
I need to hold this little guy.
Be very calm with him. Rascal, on the other hand,
He's wild.
don't be gentle. Be.
Say hi. Say hi. Will you say hi? Are you mad at me? Are you mad? Hey, come back. Romeo. Oh my gosh. Hey, come back.
Olivia, it's okay.
Hi, Dilly.
Get away from me.
Then he comes over here for scraps.
Okay.
There you go, good kitty.
Hey,
Look at those.
please have a good time.
Please subscribe and you better give this video a big thumbs up.
It looks like he just like.
Hello.
High five.
My name is Romeo.
Hi.
And my ears wiggle.
Hi.
I love you all so much. No, he needs to give him a
Can you
kiss.
let the cat down so he can finish eating if he wants? Because Deli is finished. Well, to be fair, I'm pretty sure that Romeo was eating his.
Romeo. You know where your brother is? Keep it. I said get that stinking camera away from me. Bye-bye.
He's like,
Come back! No, get away from me. I'm serious. Get away from me. He's just in a bad mood today, I guess.
I've never seen that before.
Cats.
Emily, come here.
They're so weird.
Come here, Emily. Come here, you pretty boy.
I said get away from me, you weirdos. At least give me a thumbs up.
I need a question.
But get away from me.
Where is
Hi.
my brother?
Where
is your brother?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Come
well,
back.
you're. Okay. We are Romeo and Rascal brothers.
Mm-hmm.
They are.
Mm-hmm.
But those
hey.
two are not related to him. Let's go see if we can find Rascal. Okay.
Hello.
Hold him. I will hold the vicious one. Oh, are you watching TV? Well, I'm sorry. I think I'll interrupt that.
Look at this little guy.
No, look at this little guy. He's way more calm than he was yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
He's always into me. But those
You can only see his eyes.
Wait, no.
Hi.
I have an idea. Come here.
Romeo. Say hi.
I'll have you guys.
Please. I love this. This is the life of me. Right?
People come and invade me.
I love it.
Okay, here he is on this pillow.
So, your brother's
Yeah.
downstairs, huh?
Yep.
Hi.
How come his neighbor?
Is Princess okay?
Yeah. I love this. I'm so cute.
He is a big.
And did you already clean the box down there?
Hey.
Yep. I'm a champ at cleaning this litter box.
Okay, I'll pause you guys for a little bit because I love this.